In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts in Notion. If you've ever wanted your Notion pages to look a little more personalized, there are two simple approaches that work right inside the app. The first is using Notion's built-in font options, and the second is using stylized text you generate elsewhere and paste into your page. I'll walk you through both, explain what each one is best for, and share practical tips so your pages remain clean, readable, and consistent. Start with the quickest win, Notion's built-in fonts. Open any Notion page and look to the top right corner for the three-dot menu. Click that, and you'll see the font setting where you can switch between default, serif, and mono. Default is a clean sans serif that works well for most pages. Serif adds a more editorial, book-like feel. Great for reading heavy documents. Mono is a monospace style that's perfect for technical notes or when you want a structured, code-like look. This change applies to the entire page at once: headings, paragraphs, and lists, so it keeps everything consistent. You can switch back and forth anytime, and it won't affect your actual content, only how it appears. Now, if you want something that looks more custom for specific words or headings, you can use a stylized text generator. Sites like Lingojam let you type normal text and instantly convert it into eye-catching variations. Type your heading or phrase on the site. Then copy the version you like and paste it directly into Notion. What you are pasting isn't a real font file. It's a set of Unicode characters that look like a different style. Notion treats these like regular text, so they'll sit alongside your content just fine. A few tips to use this approach well. Keep stylized text short, think titles, labels, or callouts, so your pages stay readable. Test on desktop and mobile to make sure the characters display correctly everywhere. Be aware that some characters may not be recognized by screen readers and certain searches may not match stylized words the way they do normal text. If something looks off after pasting, simply replace it with standard characters, and you are back to normal. And remember, you can still use Notion's formatting like headings and color to add structure, without overdoing the decorations. To recap, use the three-dot menu to quickly switch your page's overall font, and use a generator like Lingojam to paste in stylized text for targeted accents. That's all you need to give your Notion workspace a fresh, personalized feel. Thanks for watching.